So, hello everyone. Today we have a job update from Caterpillar, and the job role is software engineer. And the job location is Chennai, and you need to apply for this role before February 2. Now, let's scroll down and look at the basic qualifications of this role. Here, you need a 0 to 2 years of experience to apply for this role, and you need to have done a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field. So basically, a bachelor's degree means a undergraduate program like BSc, BTech, BE, and something like that. And you should have done it in the specializations such as computer science, information technology, or a related field that comes under the computer science and information technology. Then you need to have a proven experience in developing an automation script using Python, and you need to have an understanding in writing SQL queries, and then experience writing the infrastructure as a code deployment using CloudFormation. So the CloudFormation basically comes in AWS, and you need to have a hands-on experience with AWS or Azure cloud platforms. And then you need to have the experience with the CI or CD pipelines and version control system. So version control system is like a Git or something. And then you need to know the AWS operation experience such as CloudFormation, Lambda, Glue, API Gateway, VPC, S3, CloudWatch, Athena, RDS, DynamoDB, cost management tools, and etc. So all these things that I mentioned are from AWS. So you need to know the AWS. Then you need to have an analytical mindset, and you should be good with troubleshooting issues and good communication skill and teamwork ability. So they are telling that you will be a top candidate if you have the skills such as, and you need to have a additional AWS certification that is related to architecture or developer, and then the experience of working an agile or scrum environment and agile methodologies. Then experience using the intelligence tool to analyze data, experience with the Azure DevOps and GitHub, and prior operational experience with the cloud service providers other than AWS, that is preferably Azure or GCP. To have a great verbal and written communication skill to collaborate cross-functionally and enhance scalability. You will be a top candidate if you have all these skills. Here are few skills and tools that you can actually mention in your resume if you actually know those things. So that is Python, SQL, CloudFormation, AWS or Azure, CI or CD pipeline, version control systems such as Git, and other things such as CloudFormation, Lambda, Glue, API Gateway, VPC, S3, CloudWatch, Athena, RDS, DynamoDB, cost management tools, and etc. And also here are few soft skills, that is analytical mindset, good communication skill, and teamwork ability. Then if you have additional AWS certification that is related to architecture or developer, and you can add it, and also such as agile or scrum environment, and then you can add Azure DevOps and GitHub. Then if you know the cloud service provider other than AWS such as Azure and GCP, you can add it. That's it. These are the things that you can actually add it in your resume that can actually boost your resume to get shortlisted for this role. So try to apply as soon as possible because they are closing this application by February 2. So if you have any other doubts, please let us know in the comment section. And also, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends.